Hey everyone, today in this video, I will discuss one of my projects about runtime prompts and conditional rendering in SDocs. So before moving on to the project execution, let me share with you the client's requirements and the basics of SDocs in Salesforce. Talking about the client's requirements, the client wanted us to fetch data in the 4 level down. Let's say we have created a template on an A object and the client wanted the data of the D object to represent it. Also, the client wanted the child record database on record type to come up in the SDocs template. In addition, the client wanted each child record to be showcased on the separate page, which should be dynamically created. Before moving on to the execution, let me tell you the basics of SDocs and the benefits of SDocs in Salesforce. Considered to be one of the fastest, safest and easiest document generator applications, the SDocs solution is built for the Salesforce platform. It is a 100% native document generator and e-signature solution for Salesforce. SDocs is lightning fast, exceptionally intuitive and secure since your data never leaves Salesforce. It helps you generate email and e-sign your mission critical documents using a solution built on the platform your team relies on every day. Let me tell you about the benefits of SDocs in Salesforce. Document solutions such as SDocs can help your sales team focus better on sales activities rather than creating documents. SDocs solution enables the marketing team to maintain consistency concerning layout, grammar and logo usage in all their communications. With access to different documents of the business, admins or sales managers can draw insights based on the aggregated data of SDocs. It enables the marketing team to maintain consistency concerning layout, grammar and logo usage in all their communications. And there is very minimal scope for errors with approved templates. Here is a glimpse of the solution that we provided. Now, let's directly jump into project execution. Let us say we are creating an SDocs template for an account. You will find the SDocs button in the top panel and click it. So, as you can see, this data is coming from the 4-level data hierarchy object. And we can see this data on the grandparent object. Also, the client wanted some pages to be dynamically created. So, these pages are created dynamically based on the number of child records. For instance, if there are 2 child records, the number of pages would be 2. And if there are 3 child records, the number of pages would be 3. And with this, we can use the data in a single tab. The above data is coming from the parent, and the below data mentioned in the table is from the grandchild. So we are keeping relations. And we have shown all the data in a single tab. There is also a limitation in SDocs. If we use a limit in the related list, the limit is then applied to all the related list. But we overcome this limitation by utilizing some workaround. As you can see, there are different data in the different related lists. Also, this data is coming from the grandchild, and you can see this data on the grandparent object. Are you looking to implement Salesforce CRM for the first time or looking at enhancing CRM users' experience? We have got the best team to aid your CRM journey. With years of experience across domains and industries, Cloud Analogy has perfected the art and science of building and delivering end-to-end Salesforce solutions to clients across the globe. Get in touch with the best Salesforce experts now.